7 Natural Ways to Get Rid of Intestinal Worms in No Time. If you have, or think you have, intestinal parasites, you may be interested in natural remedies to help restore your health. Intestinal parasites are typically caused by protozoa, single-celled organisms that can multiply within your body, or helminths, worms and larvae that can't multiply in the human body. 1. Unripe papaya. In a glass of warm milk, add a teaspoon of raw papaya and 1 teaspoon of honey and mix. Drink it daily for a week on an empty stomach and see the difference. 2. Neem. Neem leaves should be ground into a fine paste. On an empty stomach, take half a teaspoon of this paste with a glass of water every morning. You will get rid of parasites in your body by following this method for a few days. 3. Garlic. Garlic has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help get rid of the worms from the stomach. Chew raw garlic or drink garlic tea daily on an empty stomach for about a week. 4. Coconut. To treat intestinal worms, coconut is an excellent home remedy. You can include a tablespoon of crushed coconut in your breakfast. To continue the treatment, drink warm milk with castor oil mixed in after 3 hours. For a week, drink this to eliminate all intestinal worms. Ensure that you buy edible castor oil. 5. Carrots. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which can destroy the eggs of intestinal worms. Eating carrots on an empty stomach for a week can get rid of intestinal worms. 6. Cloves. A clove is an antiseptic and antiparasitic plant, which makes it effective against intestinal parasites. A cup of water and 2 to 3 cloves should be boiled together. Simmer for 5 minutes and strain. For a week, drink this solution 3 to 4 times per day. 7. Turmeric. It is antiseptic and antimicrobial in nature and helps in eliminating all kinds of intestinal worms. Take a glass of buttermilk and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder in it. Drink it daily and you will get rid of parasites from the body. If you like this video, like and leave your comments. Share with your friends for more recipes and tips, subscribe to this channel.